Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making crunchy button cookies. In a bowl I place half cup white sugar and quarter cup shortening, and I'll cream those using a hand mixer. Notice I'm scraping the sides of the bowl to make sure that all of the ingredients have been incorporated. Then I'll add 2 teaspoons vanilla and 2 teaspoons yellow food coloring. Use a hand mixer to combine those. Scrape the sides of the bowl again, and then I will add the flour. I'm adding the flour in 4 parts: half cup, quarter cup and quarter cup. However, I'm going to use the spatula to combine the flour until I get to the last quarter cup. Then I'll use my hand to mix that in. Then I will roll it into a ball and use a spoon to remove small amounts and roll those into balls. Place them in a baking tray that has been lined with parchment paper. Place them about 1.5 inches apart, and then bake them in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. For some of them, I pierced holes in them so that they look like buttons with holes. Once they have been baked, then place them on a cooling rack until they are cold. There you have it, crunchy button cookies. This video is dedicated to Beryl Alexander Baillie. It was created by her daughter, Audie Baillie. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share.